This is a HP ProLiant Dl380 Gen11 2U rock mountable server. This is the front side look of the server. Please like the video. This is the internal look of the server. By default comes with the 4 fan, total 6 fan you can use, and 2 processor and 2 power supply. This is the backside ports of the server. USB port, Ethernet port, and 2 of 10 GB Ethernet ports added, and VGA port and 2 power supply. Let's see the full design inside the motherboard. Here you can see all the connectivities. 2 processors we can use in this server, and each processor having a 16 memory slot. So total 32 memory slot. This is a second processor slot. So total 2 processor we can use in this one. And this is add-on cards inside. Fan, processor fans. Here you can see 4 fans. Total 6 fan you can use in this server. Dl380 Gen11. This is a brief look of this server. Here you can see all the technical details of the server on the top of the metal case cover. They give all technical details on diagram. So as per this we need to install the memories and drives. So full data sheet they mention here. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates.